what is your name?
My name is Reza. Nice to meet you. What about you? What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Reza. I'm Hamza. What grade are you in?
I'm from class 6B. How about you?
I'm from 6A class. And have you finished studying for the exam?
Not really. I've been trying to get through all the material, but it feels like there's just too much to cover. How about you?
I've been studying for a few hours each day. I find that breaking it down into smaller chunks make it less overwhelming. What's giving you the most trouble?
It's mostly the history section. I can't seem to remember all the dates and events. I've tried making flashcards, but I keep mixing things up.
That's tough. I thought that creating a timeline I help with visualizing the events. In order, you could also try teaching the material to someone else, like a friend or even just to yourself out loud. It can reinforce your memory.
That's a good idea. I haven't tried that yet. Maybe I can find someone to quiz me or go over things with. But what about the maths part? I'm still struggling with some of the equations.
For math, practice problem-ability. Hey, I've been doing extra exercise from the textbooks and checking my solutions. And sometimes working with a study group can help too. You get different perspective on solving problems.
That's true. I might join a study group or ask the teacher for some extra help. And I've also been trying to manage my time better so I don't get overwhelmed before the exam.
That sounds like a solid plan. Just remember to take a breath and get enough rest. It's important to keep your mind fresh. We're almost there. Just keep the effort and we'll get it.
Thanks for the tips. I'll definitely try breaking things down and maybe find someone to study with. Good luck with your studying too.
You too, we've got this.